One of the hardest parts of traveling is transporting your belongings. Getting your clothes and other essential items from one place to another takes a lot of planning and preparation. Wheel duffel bags have emerged as a new favorite in recent years. The best rolling duffel bags are light, rugged and easy to transport. There are many products available to choose rolling duffel luggage, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best rolling duffel luggage bags from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Duffel Luggage. This phthalate-free TPE laminate from Duffel is tough and durable, exactly what you will need for the harsh conditions of air travel. The TPE also gives it water resistance, so if you get caught in the rain, the contents will stay dry. You'll find that there are a host of internal compartments to store your belongings, making packing a breeze and allowing you to separate dirty clothes. The telescopic handle is comfortable and feels sturdy, while the wheels are smooth with quality bearings, exactly you would expect from a brand like Duffel. We really like the addition of the top zippered compartment for often accessed items. You'll also get the standard Duffel limited lifetime warranty should you ever have defect or issue with your bag. If you don't mind spending extra, this could be the best roller duffel bag. Number 2. Gonex rolling duffel bag with wheels. If you are looking for best duffel bag with wheels that is durable and lightweight, this is the one for you. Being made from 1200D high-density PVC fabric that is water-resistant and resists wear and tear from air travel. Specific compartments for things like toiletries and shoes are a nice touch, helping you to pack quickly and efficiently. The quick access pocket is perfect for items needed while traveling, and its SAW-approved password lock is also included. Coming with top, side and bottom carry handles, you have options for transporting this bag. The Gonex is available in an extra large 100L size and a 50L that could probably be a carry-on. The frame can also be collapsed, meaning that you can store the bag away easily. This makes it a great option for people like students or others who might have limited space. The inline skate wheels are also tough, offering a smooth journey as you pull the bag using the rubber ergonomic handle. Number 3. Osprey Rolling Transporter 90 Duffel Bag. If you're looking for packing versatility, the Osprey Transporter certainly has the claim to be the best rolling duffel. You'll find a range of pockets available, making organization in this 90-liter duffel bag an absolute breeze, and helping you get to your belongings when you need them. The U-shaped top opening is great to get easy access to your belongings, much more convenient than a backpack, where items have a tendency to stack up. The transporter is unlike many duffel bags, in that it has a lightweight aluminum frame to keep its shape and protect your belongings. The internal straps help with organizing the contents, and from shifting around. The 400E nylon outer shell is very strong, and offers a durable option compared to polyester found in cheaper bags. Telescoping pull handle is a great option when your bag is laden with belongings on those particularly large trips, while 6 lash points make it a breeze to attach other gear. Number 4. Eagle Creek No Matter What Rolling Duffel. This offering from Eagle Creek is great for every situation. Thanks to its variety of handles and straps, you'll find that it can serve you well, no matter the type of trip. An adjustable and removable shoulder strap can help you keep your hands free, while heavy-duty threaded wheels make the bag appropriate for a range of surfaces. The bag has Bi-Tech fabric on its outside, meaning that it is resistant to abrasion and weatherproof. There's even a protective storm flap and tough webbing, making this a seriously heavy-duty option. It also performs well from a security perspective, given that the zips on the exterior can be locked, perfect when heading through airports. The bag has a capacity of 128 liters, meaning that you'll be able to cram in enough to last you for quite a long time. This high capacity makes this a popular wheel duffel bag. When you're not using the bag, it's also easy to collapse and fold away. This makes it particularly useful for those people who have limited storage space. Number 5. Pathfinder Gear 32-inch Rolling Drop Bottom Duffel. Pathfinder is well known as a quality brand that offers durable and stylish products. This wheel duffel luggage bag is no exception, coming in a range of finishes that help you to express yourself while looking stylish. This bag combines form and function, offering a durable 600D polyester material that can offer protection even against the elements to keep your belongings protected. The Pathfinder duffel bag is also comfortable to wheel around thanks to TPR over mold grip, a great addition that you'll really come to appreciate for those longer trips. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.